Okay. Hello everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fatur Rahman and my ID student 123490053. I student in Instrumentation and Automation Engineering in Institute Teknologi Sumatera. Okay. In this video, I will explain and demonstrate the basic of calculator logic programming using simulation software. Even though we are not using the physical PLC trainer board and pneumatic cylinder, here, here at home, I will guide you step by step with diagram, theory, and simple programming in X1. Okay. Nah, automation is one of the most important things in the world, modern world. Nah, almost okay. Wait, ya. I will okay. Nah, automation is in important things in the modern world. Almost every production line in the industry, such the fast food, automotive, packaging, or robotic assembly, use automation system to improve speed, accuracy, and safety. In the center of the system, we usually find a PLC or programmable logic controller. PLC is not just a normal computer. It is a special controller that PLC. Okay. Now, PLC it is a special controller that is designed to be reliable, strong. PLC can work 2000 and 4 hours every day in harsh condition like hot factory place with dust or with heat. Nah, that is why industry prefer PLC compared to simple controller. And to give command to PLC, we need a programming language. Programming language, one of the most popular and oldest PLC programming method is the nah, it is the ladder diagram. Why this called ladder diagram? Because the program look like a look of ladder, two vertical, two vertical, two vertical on the side, and many horizontal row in between. Structure make a program easy to read, especially for electronic and electrical or technician who are already familiar with electrical control circuit. In this video, I will first explain the theory of leader-based PLC based on what you can also find in the module, in this module. Okay. Okay. After that, I will open this X1 programming software and create a simple circuit so you can see how little logic work in picture. By the day, by the end of this video, I hope you will understand not only what leader logic looks like, but also how it is used a controller real process in automation system. Now let us talk about the theory of leader diagram programming. Okay, a leader diagram is a graphical programming language look like an electrical control schematic. The idea is very simple. We draw the logic if it is current flowing from the left rail to the right rail. In the path, in the path is closed when the output is active. If the path is open and the output is dead active. Nah, in a leader diagram, we have several important symbols. Okay, this is name normally open contact. This is symbol. Yeah, this symbol is like a switch. That is a symbol like a switch that is open by default when the input condition becomes true. This contact closed and allow the logic to flow. Next, this is normally closed. This is the opposite and is closed by default and open when the input is true. Now, next is coil icon symbol. This symbol represent an output device such a lamp, a motor, or a solenoid. When the logic path is complete, the coil is energized. Okay. Now, next, timer is used delay action. For example, when a signal comes, the timer waits for a few seconds before activating the output. Okay. When programming in Leader, the PLC can learn to from top to bottom and from left to right. The means the program is always checked by step verified many times per second. If you can read a relay diagram, you can also understand leader logic. That is why it is still the most widely used language in industry, even though PLC today also support other languages like function block diagram or structure text. Okay. Now let's move to the practical part. I will open one programming software, even though I don't have the training board where here we can still create and simulate a simple literal program. Okay, we open CX1. Select CX programmer. We create a new file. The name file is in the module. We can see leader program. We click new the symbol name open contact. Open contact. Next, the symbol normally close. Okay. Now we normally open W00 enter system add vertical. Hmm. If we control save to a save program. This is a program. We the push the button. Okay, when I press the start button, the pneumatic has turned on. Pneumatic stay on even when I release the start button. This is called latching circuit. When I press stop button, the pneumatic turn off. Okay, turn off after 5 seconds because that is a timer. This setting 5 seconds. 50. Okay, this is a name Jax one programmer to program uh, create a leader program. To conclude, in this video, we have learned their things. First, we talk about why PLC and leader logic are important in automation. Second, we explain the main theory of leader programming, including contact, coil, timer, and counter. And third, we create the simple programming in Jax1 to see how leaders work in practice. Even though here I only use simulation and not the real trainer board, the principle is the same. Once we download this program to real PLC, I will control real hardware like motor and pneumatic. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this video helped you to understand the basic of leader PLC programming. See you in the next video.